Dillon. So, I'm assuming everyone knows Flappy Bird, right?
It is a game where you have to like go through.
So they're just try playing. So our version, there's like a little green ring that you try to get like as close to as possible, and it's in between the pipe. And every time like it goes past you, you get a point. And if you go too far away from it, Dillon, come on. If you go too far away from it, then it says bro thought you was good and you die. I mean, the game is a bit like laggy and stuff. We could improve.
We could definitely improve it.
Yeah. The hardest part about it
Was probably the website itself.
Well,
it kept like crashing, even though our code is right.
it was kind of annoying. The second hardest part was I don't know, just like doing the code because we made it so that the middle is the pipe so that it's annoying. I don't know. It's just.
What was the most fun part of
the most fun part of making this, was
probably just like making all the Flappy Bird and like
like just I guess doing the code when it worked.
Yeah.
And the thing that we had the most trouble with was the website crashing on us. And sometimes it just teleports away from you and there's nothing you can do about that. So we're gonna try and improve that a bit, maybe.
Yeah. Is there anything else you want to share about your project?
Oh no, what happened, Dillon?
Fine, just go back.
No, not really. I guess Dillon, you can talk. You can talk a bit more. I can play it while you talk.
No pressure. Good.
So Misha's trying to play it right now, and as you can see, he's miserably failing.
Dillon, I'm doing everything you could.
And
Oh.
there's the score down there, and
Oh yeah, I forgot about the score.
we probably did like
No.
All right. Good work on this project.
Wait, we did 73 lines of code, but like realistically, it was like I don't know, 50.
Yeah.
Nice work.